A blinking blue light on your T-Mobile router, like the Nokia 5G Gateway or Arcadian KVD21, indicates it's connecting, updating, experiencing a WAN issue, or rebooting. A slow blink, every 2 to 3 seconds, usually means it's connecting to T-Mobile's 5G network. A rapid blink, every zero point 0.5 to 1 second, signals a firmware or software update in progress. A pulsing blue light suggests data transfer over the WAN. Finally, a blinking pattern during startup or reset means the router is rebooting. Understanding which state your router is in is the first step to resolving the issue. First, power cycle your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. This resolves most temporary glitches. If the blinking persists, use the T-Mobile app's Health Check tool to remotely diagnose and fix the problem. Ensure your router has the latest firmware by checking for updates in the app or router's admin panel at 192.168.12.1. Position your router away from obstructions and ensure a strong 5G signal. For rural areas with weak signals, consider using a T-Mobile signal extender or contacting T-Mobile support for further assistance.